Okay, so this is part 2 of a 2-video series where we visited Charlotooes Ice Cream in Dewsbury in the United Kingdom. If you haven't seen the first video, please go back because it's absolutely hilarious, and we covered everything outside of the store. In this video we talk about what's happening inside Charlotooes Ice Cream, a great family-friendly, child-friendly location where they sell premium ice cream and lots of goodies to boot. Here it was our great opportunity to meet Audrey, Geoff's better half. Now Audrey explains a little bit about the longevity of the business and what sort of products they sell.
We've been here 20 years. We opened on Charlotte's 10th birthday and she's 30 this time. We open 7 days a week. We only close at Christmas Day. Every year on our birthday we have a free ice cream day. We make 36 flavours of ice cream. Not all 36 are out all the time, but the choice is there. Yeah, I've had Champion of Champions twice with sorbet and once with raspberry pavlova. Not Champion of Champions. Champions in the class.
In your class.
In the class, yeah.
Now it's very obvious that a lot of time and attention has gone into the presentation of all of Charlotte's ice cream products. So far as toppings, displays, add-ins, it really is a class act. And again, like we mentioned at the show, a lot of care is taken to provide a whole variety of cones, cups and containers to accent the great quality ice cream. Right, back to Geoff. Now we asked him what he thought the best part of running a great ice cream business was.
The money I can spend on cruises. I get the enjoyment out of seeing the success side of it, because the ice cream parlour was invented over a lot of wine one night. Me and Audrey went on holiday to Jersey, and while we was in Jersey we bought 10 Jersey calves. As the calves got older and older, we introduced them to the bull, and we used to go out with some farmers on once a month, whining and dining, and these cows that was getting ready to start calving, and this dairy farmer says to me this particular night, "Geoffrey, what are you going to do with those bloody Jersey cows? Because if you're not milking black and white cows in this area, you wasn't a dairy farmer." And I'd had that much wine, and we'd had a lot of wine, and I just said, "We're going to make ice cream." Well, the tears rolled down their faces. We were the joke of the night because we made this comment. The next morning when we got up, we was having breakfast, and we just looked at one another and we said, "What are we going to do with all this milk that is going to come when these calves come?" And we just turned round to one another and we said, "We're going to make ice cream." And that is how Charlotte's was invented, over 2 or 3 bottles of red wine.
Oh, and by the way, Geoff has one other important spot to tell us about before we tuck into the ice cream. So what are you saying when the Almighty calls you what?
When the Almighty God calls me up to heaven, this is the way I'm going to be laid for the rest of my time.
And are you going to have some sort of...
A tomb. I'm going to have a tomb built, and on the headstone of the tomb it's going to say, "Here lies the man they all laughed at." So when they come to bury me, they're going to put me at 45 degrees angle, so that I can still see the view.
And that's written in...
That's written in the Bible. Geoffrey's Bible.
Now, as Audrey said, they make 36 flavours of ice cream fresh here on the premises. Not all of them are out all of the time. In fact, during our visit, being the winter months, we only had half of the case running, but that's fine. We decided to pick one of the best ice cream sundaes that we have to sample most of the flavours at Charlotte's. topped with Charlotte's special wafers and a couple of wafer sticks, and we are ready to go. A great sample of all of the ice creams here at Charlotte's. Unbelievable. Well, ice cream lovers, we are finishing off our tour of the UK with one of these monster sundaes from Charlotte's Ice Cream. Again, if you want one of the best ice cream experiences you want in the UK, you've got to come and see Geoff, Audrey and Charlotte here at Charlotte's Ice Cream. It's not only about the ice cream, it's about the entertainment. This beautiful view over the hillside here. You've got cows, you've got donkeys, you've got kangaroos, and some of the best ice cream you'll have in the Yorkshire area. So, for more information on all of this, come and sit down. Oh, yes. No, come and sit down here. So, for more information on Charlotte's Ice Cream, we'll have a link to... Did you just finish yours off? Is that what happened?
No, I'm looking at she wanted to share.
Well, mate, I haven't paid for it yet, so at this point I think I'll share it with Geoff. So we're going to put some information on Charlotte's on our website here, down below the video. Again, great host, thank you, mate. True, wonderful ice cream experience. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you next time. And are you going to have a bust of yourself on there?
No, we're not going to be so. It looks as though I'm going on the bottom and Audrey's going on the top of me. Just the way it has been all our lives.